Good morning, everyone. We are back here in today's session. We have faced some problem in our building as of now. Maybe there was a drill going on of for fire, so it's not a very serious issue as of now, and we are back to provide you with the insights in the of the market. Right. So we had some drill going on for the fire, and when we have gone down, we came to know that it was just a drill, and then we have returned to our back to our office. So as of now, if we are seeing, we were going through our watch list. Previously, we were seeing that our watch list was negative. Most of our stocks were negative in now, but now if we see overall if we see there has been positivity in the changes we had, and except Poonawala, every stock is positive in our holding, right? Every stock is positive, and we will go through the analysis of the stocks and we'll let you know what are the possible outcomes we can have on that. So we're firstly going through Poonawala only. So for Poonawala, we have made our two three entries in Poonawala, right? And we have averaged down this stock. The last entry which we have made was around 360 level. We have made our last entry at 360, and the stock is consolidating at that point from the entry which we have made previously. The stock grew till 373 374, but it was not able to break its resistance area. Just look at it, the resistance area which it had from 376 to 383. This is the resistance area of Punawala, and it is coming, trading below that, above its support. So it is consolidating from this phase. You can see it is consolidating from this phase, and it is making a good buying opportunity as of now, right? The Poonawala is been consolidating within this range. It is not able to break its resistance. Once we see if the Poonawala sustains the support of 3 foot above 340, right, if it's consolidate at this position, we will be able to see a Poonawala going, making its new high. After it breaks out from the level of 376 to 383, we will be able to see making its new high. So these are the possible aspects we can expect from Poonawala is a great stock. It deals in banking and finance. It is mostly into the consumer finance, so we are expecting it to be the positive, right? And if we see, the stock is very good as of now, and going above the level of 344, we will be able to see, uh, going trading above the level of 344, above its support. And if consolidate within this range, we are expecting a breakout with a strong volume, and we will be able to see it breaks out in resistance with a strong volume, and we will see upside of around 400 420 easily. Once it breaks out the level of 380, we will be able to see upside potential in it. So this is our advice on Poonawala. Coming to the RBL bank, we have. So for RBL bank, we had made our resistance at this point. We will just we had made our resistance at this point. It is it has having a resistance around 170 178. So we have made our resistance on that. As you can see, there was a great fall after it reached the point of 175 previously. It has fallen to its support level, and it had a support at around 150, and trading on that support level, it was consolidating from 150 to 160, and again 155 60, 155 60, and it again came back down to below the 150 level, right, below 150 level. And after that, we can see, when it came down to below 150 level, it was showing a bounce back on that. It was showing a bounce back on that, and there was a huge upside and there was a huge upside after reaching its potential. There was a strong green candle indicating on each and every hour, and now for few trading sessions we are seeing some consolidation going on for RBL Bank after its huge upside potential. So we are seeing the RBL Bank is at resistance as of now, right? Is at resistance as of now, and if we see the breakout, if we can see the breakout above this level, we will be able to see much more growth in RBL Bank as well. So this is our recommendation for RBL Bank. For NFL, for National Fertilizers Limited, we are the National Fertilizer is been doing remarkable. It has broken its resistance as of now, and now we are will be seeing a upside potential. We had NFL in our current holding. We have made our exit at 120 level. We have made our exit at 120 level in NFL at the levels, and now we are waiting for the re-entry in this stock. We can see the NFL marking its when it has made a low of 104 and 103, it has made a high of 124. So this was our resistance we have. As of now it was trading within its resistance. Long trading has been done into the resistance. The volume was low, but the resistance, it has traded on that resistance, and now it is able to break its resistance and trading above that. So from now this point we will be able to see our NFL marking its 130 140 level once it breaks its resistance as of now. So these are the resistance we had. Now going for the Aventel. So Aventel is both in NSE and BSE. It is trading around 172 as of today, down 0.18%. And so if you see the returns of Aventel from last 5 days, it has given you a returns of 10.72%. So it is showing a strong momentum as of now. Like look, it is showing a strong momentum, and it has increased from 150 to 153 level to 172. So 10 to 15% increase has been seen in Aventel, and we are very positive about that. It has made us one strong green candle, and after that there was a consolidation going on, and as of now we can see there's a lot of consolidation going on, and we are expecting it to fall a bit. Now we can until when it reaches 165 170, we will be able to see more upsides into that. So we have already made, we had our resistance at this point, right? And we have made our target at this point for Aventel. So for Aventel we are doing great, and now the 5% target area we have made our entry at 145 146, and from that we are able to see a strong green candle appearing, and able to look how the Aventel is performing. So there was a, after our profit booking has done, there we are seeing a fall in Aventel. So this is very important concept, that why we book the profitability at 5% level, because it protects you from the market reversal. We have, it protects you from the market reversal, and whatever we are seeing, we can be protected from that. So this is our reason that why we recommend to book the profit on timely basis, so that you are able to, be protected from market reversal. Like there are many market reversals, there are many profit booking take place which reverses the market. Even in the stock, if you see, if it has grown to a some point of time, and if there is resistance at any position, we recommend, we provide you with the profit booking, right? After that you are able to be safe from that, and if you provide, and if you think we can re-enter that stock, we obviously provide you with the re-entry position, right, where you can enter at that position. Now see Avental trading around 176, it is fallen down below 172, it is trading around 170 172. So this is the reason why we recommend each and every one of you to be protected from the market reversal. Now coming to the Dev Plastic. In Dev Plastic, what we have done, we have achieved the 30%, 13% profitability. We have provided you the Dev Plastic at the recommendation of, just we will look what are the Dev Plastic. We had made an entry at this point. Look, we had made our entry at 21st of November in Dev Plastic around afternoon time, and we had our long in that. The entry point was 270, 273, and the take profit point was 305, which made our profit to 13%. Just look at the profitability we have able to achieve in Dev Plastic. And on that also, look, we were able to provide you with the entry around this point. We were expecting a positivity out of it, and after this level we were able to see 273, 273 was our entry point, and after this level you are able to see a great upside potential in Dev Plastic, and we were able to make huge profit out of it. We were able to make huge profit out of it. Just look at the profitability we have achieved till uh, till now, and it is trading around its resistance. Just look, we are trading around its resistance. So we have a strong resistance in Dev Plastic from 312 to 324. This is our resistance. This is our resistance level which we are having, and it is consolidating below that. So we also provide you with the resistance that you are able to safeguard your investment from any uncertainties you can face in the market. So this is the advice we give to each and every one of you. So just remember, when the re-entries come in Deep Plastic, we will be able to provide you with the re-entries on that. Now coming to the Hindustan Oil Exploration. In Hindustan Oil Exploration, we have already made our four entries on that. Just look at the entries we have done. We have made our four entries in Hindustan Oil Exploration, and we had made our flip zones around that. And if it flip zones, like previously we had made a flip zone around 200 and 202, but stock has fallen more from that level, and it has even fallen to below the level of 180 around. And after that we have seen a huge buying on that stock, the Hindustan Oil Exploration, and it was able to increase a lot, 190 and 192. So this was the increment which we have seen from 190 to 192. And after that we are able to see an increase. We had a profit booking when we made an entry in Hindustan Expression 190, 192. We have already booked our profit here, and now it is consolidating at this position. It is consolidating at this position. Once we expect these stocks to break which reaches flip zone, and from this zone we will be able to see reversal till 210, right? We will be able to see upside till 210, and after it breaks its resistance from this level 210 and 215, we will be able to see more upside coming in here, right? We will be able to see it, making it marks to 230, 240 easily from our first buying price. So we have our first buying price in Silence Person at 234. We are expecting it to reach very soon once it support this level uh, and breaks this resistance. Now coming to the GGBL, we have provided you with the recommendation of GGBL, right? And within a day, we have provided you recommendation of GGBL buying the stock as 415 and 420, and from that position we had our great upside. We have achieved a great upside. We are able to exit that stock around 440 and 441. We were able to exit here at this position around, right? So we were able to exit there, and we had made our huge profit out of it. This was our target area for now, and we can see there was a huge candle appearing at 443 level on the 29th of November. On just 28th of November, we have provided you with the recommendation to buy around 420, and from that we were able to see a huge green candle on that. So this was our prediction which we had. This was a prediction which you had, right? So we are able to make the returns, and after that we have already provided you with the resistance level. After it we have booked our profit, it has fallen its mark from 410, and after that it is again bouncing back. You can see it is again bouncing back from its level, and it is doing great as of now. So this is our resistance zone at 450 to 460. This is our resistance, and once it breaks its resistance above this level, just look at the mark. 458, 460 was a strong resistance. Above that we can expect the upside potential into that. So now it is trading around 453, and it has made a high of 455. Above that, if we see, we will be able to see a great upside on that. So there has been shift in sentiment from bearish to bullish in the market. We are seeing a positivity, we are seeing a green candle here also. So this is our possibility that we will be able to see more upsides into that. So this is our resistance and target zones which we have provided. We have exited our GGBL on the very next day, and we are waiting for the more upside reaching us to the level of 470, so that we are able to reach the position size of 10 to 15%. So we are looking that. So here we are having IP rings as of now. So we made our entry in IP rings at the level of 190, 199, and we are able to make our exit at 208. So this was our position. We were able to exit IP ring at 208, 207, and from that level we are seeing a great fall in that. Just look at the falls we are expecting. We have made our exit here, and after that we are seeing a fall on that, and we are seeing a downfall here. It is trading around it. Suppose it has flipped from the level of 180, 185, and around the 190 and 195 we have provided you with the entry zones, and we were able to exit at this point. So this is a very crucial point. Once it reaches the level, we will be seeing upside potential till the resistance, and resistance is at around 215 and 223. So these are the resistance we have as of now, and if it breaks above that level, we will be able to see more upside. The position size we can see 232 to 235. So these are the levels we are expecting to reach very soon if it breaks down the resistance, right? Also we have to monitor that if the stock is breaking out, it has to break out with strong volumes, and if it breaking out with strong volumes, so we are expecting that there is a huge buying going on, and many big players are entering into the market, so it is a positive for the market as well, right? Now we will come to the arcade ply. So we have Arcade Play as of now. We were just analyzing these stocks for Arcade Play from the level of 110. We are expecting it to agree. Arcade Play. Arcade Play is doing really well. We have also monitored its fundamental analysis, what we are expecting in the wood products industry, and how it is going to perform, right? How it is going to perform, and what are the prospects Arcade Play need to do to improve its profitability, and how the margin can be increased for the arcade play. So this is the very important factor we have for arcade play. We are expecting it to grow very much, and there is a 5% target profit which we have already achieved. We have our entry at 110 level, and we were able to achieve our target price at 116.18. It is trading above that only, And we can see that each and every stock in our portfolio, the except two stock Poonawalla and Aventel is doing great. It is in green zone, and all are positive as of now. So we are doing great on that, and we are expecting some positivity going on. And above the target price we are able to see its growth, right? So we have our resistance at the level of 126 and 128. So we are very much positive here, and we are expecting to grow more as of now in Arcade Play also. Arcade Play has a very good prospect. If you see in wood products and all, it is doing great, and it is expanding its business in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities as well. So that is very important. If it is able to maintain its innovation, and if it is investing in R&D, we will be able to see Arcade Play going more high. So that's the most important thing we will be able to see. And if the wood products are and raw materials are going down, if it is going down and if it is making a low, we will be able to see good highs going on, right? And after that, and our last holding as at Annapurna, we can see Annapurna is around 400. We have a resistance for Annapurna at 400 to 402, where it has consolidated, and from that level it has fallen down. We will see where we have entered at Annapurna. So Annapurna, we had made a long at 395, and we were able to exit at 415 position. So this was our entry in Annapurna at 395, and we were able to exit at this level. So this was our exit position at 415 and 416. And after that, we can see trading into its resistance. It has fallen down its mark a lot. We had made our entry here, and we were able to exit at 4115. After that, we can see there has been strong green candles appearing in Annapurna, and slowly it is falling down, making its downside potential. And we are seeing that it reaching to the third entry level very soon, 375. And if it reaches this level, you can re-entry in this stock, and we will be seeing a reversal from this point. We have seen a reversal from this point here, but it is not supporting as of now. It is falling below the resistance mark. And if we see the stock reaches 375 level, we will be able to see the reversal in it. So these are the things which we have discussed for our current holding as of now. So we had this stock. We will just refresh and look what it is doing as of now. So most of our stocks are in positive. Both are doing good. Their plastic is up by 2.19%, and it's up by around 0.5 to 1%. All most of the stocks, RBL and NFL, Poonawalla is 0.040%, and Aventel 0.24% is negative as of now. Except few stocks, Aventel and Poonawalla. Aventel has shown its momentum in last 2 3 days. Like last 4 5 season was great for Aventel, and we are expecting a little bit consolidation in Aventel. But Poonawalla is having a consolidation period from long time. We have to look how Poonawalla cover up its potential and go and makes it new high, right? Poonawalla will be able to see making its new high and growing remarkably. So these are the few stocks which we have as of now. It is doing great, and we are expecting many positivity in it. And we have our holding. We will just go through the holding and come up to the conclusion of our session. So just let's go to the holding we have. So this is our holding as of now. We have discussed about our holdings from Hindustan Oil Exploration, RBL Bank, Aventel, Poonawalla, IP Rings, each and everything. We have given you with the stock code, the entry price, and the 5% profit level. So this is our holding as of now, and and this is our date, stock opening time, and directions, entry point, and closing profit. So this is our profitability we have achieved in many stocks. As we have mentioned, on the 4th of December we were able to make profitability and closing date till then, and we were able to exit five stocks from Hindustan Aerospace. And these are the stocks which we have not and exited completely. We have bought these stocks at the upper level, and we have made our averages down then, and we were able to make a smart exit. So that is very important when you are averaging down the stock, and when we are making a re-entry into the stock. So that is very important thing. Even if you face a loss in a stock, we are able to make you re-entry into the stock and gain profit out of it. So this is the most important concept. We should understand how to cover up your losses also. When we are able to cover up your losses, that is the most important thing, and that thing is the main thing which we need to cover up, right? And now we are seeing that we have made a profitability of 227% in just 37 trades as of now, in just 2.5 months. So we are able to generate you with the money which you want, the profitability which you want to have with yourself, right? We are able to generate huge amount of profit for you. And if you are not getting benefit of that, if you're not able to generate returns on that, that is a very serious concern. You have to be profitable as well as a good trader as well, right? If you are learning from the market, if you are experienced traders, and you don't have to hesitate contacting us. We are here to help you, right? we you are able to understand what we are providing. And if you are new traders in the market, we are here to provide you with the guidance. We are here to provide you with the recommendations which we have with us. Till now, just look at this. We have made a profitability of 227% till date, and we are able to close 37 trades in just 2.5 months. We are able to do that. So this is a remarkable profit as of now for more than 200%. If we if we calculate on a monthly basis, we will see uh, our profit going at on an average of around 80 to 90% combined profit for 37 trades which we have closed. And for rest of the 10 trades which we still have pending, we will be able to close that very soon and make you a profitable trader. So we recommend to follow us. And also remember, this live streaming session is only free for next 2 3 weeks. After 2 3 weeks, we will be going switching to the VIP mode, uh, where we will be advising and only dealing with the clients who wants to make a serious money, right? Who wants to make a serious money out of it. When the client is serious about making money, we also have very interest on that. And we provide our best recommendation to the client who wants to make the serious money out of it. So remember, take most benefit out of it till the time we are providing you with a free recommendation. And after that, you will be able to see that you are gaining profit and you are making huge money in the market, because each and every one of us in the market is here for the profit. We are not here to make loss. So just understand that and make profit for yourself. Every mistake you make in the market, right? Every mistake you make in the market has a financial burden. So just remember that you don't want to face financial burden. You are entering in the market with right guidance, with right hand holding, and after that you are making a profit out of it. Each and everything we provide in our live streaming is generating profit for you, and everything which we provide on the live streaming is available on our live streaming session. You can go watch our channels live streaming sessions, and then we are providing you with the take profit market also on the live stream. So it is very important to you to be on our live stream so that you are able to guide you accordingly, right? So this is the most important thing we have as of now for you. And the margins which we have generated, the profit which you have generated is remarkably well for you and for each and everyone. So just remember, there was a we are extending this session a bit because there was a fire drill going on, because that we have lost some points to add it up. So as of now we will be coming close to our session. As we come close to our session, what we have discussed till today, uh, we will just summary up. We have discussed about our holding for today, what we have in our holding from Hindustan Oil Exploration, RBL Bank, Avendel, Poonawalla, IP Rings, and Arcade Price. This is our holding as of now. We have also gone through the analysis of this of our watch list. The what are the changes we have made, right? What are the changes we have made, and this is our watch list. What are the changes we have made? We can see most of the stocks which we have in our stock watch list is positive today, except Aventel and Poonawalla, which is down by mild 0.2 and 0.4%. We have gone through all this analysis. We have gone through the updated holding which we had as of now, the profitability which we are able to generate, and the take profit mark. So these are the profits we are able to generate as of now, and the stocks which we have here, right? So this is the direction, entry point, and take profit mark we are able to make out of it, right? And we are able to generate 227% profitability in this market. So this is our overall profits and directions which we have provided. So just remember that to join our live streaming for the next session, we will be coming back in 2 hours, right? And we will be providing you with the insights of what the live market is going on and what are the directions of the market. As of now, we can see there has not been clear direction in the market. Nifty is consolidating at that point. We will be seeing how Nifty will be performing good and what the stock holds for it, how the stock will be performing after that. So looking into all the things, we will be able to see what it is going around, right? So just remember, thank you for joining the today's session. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and forward it to your networks, the serious investors network, right? And until then,